Hello students, let's discuss about human female reproductive system. Here is the diagram of the female reproductive system. This is the uterus, this is the fallopian tube, this part of the system is called as cervix, this is vagina, this is vulva, this part is fundus, etc. You know, the female reproductive system originated from embryonic Mullerian duct, as male reproductive system originated from embryonic Wolffian duct. The Mullerian duct is the pro-embryonic duct which is essential for the development of the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries and uterus, a pair of fallopian tubes. Fallopian tube, here is the fallopian tube. There are two fallopian tubes. They are also called as oviduct. Oviduct or uterine tube. A cervix, a vagina, a vulva or external genitalia. Vulva is also called as external genitalia. External genitalia. External genitalia. And finally a pair of breasts. Breasts are also called as mammary glands. So now we discuss about ovary.
Go.
Ovary. A pair of ovaries are present in the upper pelvic cavity. They are present in the upper pelvic cavity. Upper pelvic cavity. Ovaries are the primary sex organ of female. They are called as why? Ovaries are called as primary sex organ of the female, as they produce ovum and sex hormone. Ovary produces sex hormone estrogen. Sex hormone estrogen, and the female gametes ovum also called as egg. You know, eggs are the haploid cells. They are formed by meiosis. The eggs are haploid cells or sex cells or germ cells. Ovary produces sex hormone estrogen and female gamete egg. Estrogen is the primary sex organ. Estrogen is the primary sex hormone of female. Estrogen is essential for the development of a secondary sex character in female. Estrogen, it is the chief sex hormone of female. The most potent form of estrogen is estradiol or E2. This is estradiol or E2. This is the most potent form of estrogen, which is essential for the development of a secondary sex character in female, like broad pelvic region, no facial hair, high pitched voice, growth of breast or mammary gland on the chest, then large buttock, large thigh, etc. They are the secondary sex character of female. The ovaries are present in the upper pelvic cavity, exactly located in the ovarian fossa. Ovaries are present in exactly ovarian fossa. They are present in ovarian fossa. Ovary are almond shaped structure. Their length 2 to 3 cm. each ovary length about 2 to 3 cm, the almond shaped structure, whitish in color, ovary attached with the uterus by ovarian ligament. Here this is the ovary attached with the uterus by ovarian ligament. Ovarian ligament. This is the ovarian ligament, this is the ovary. Ovary are mesodermal in origin. Embryonic mesoderm produces ovary. The ovarian ligament connect ovary with the uterus, and ovary connected with the fallopian tube with the broad ovarian ligament. Broad ovarian ligament.
Go.
This is the diagram of the ovary. Ovary is covered by outerly visceral peritoneum, then cuboidal germinal epithelium, finally internally this is tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. Here is the tunica albuginea. This is tunica albuginea. This is the internal structure of ovary. This is ovarian ligament. Ovarian ligament. The outermost cover is called as visceral peritoneum. Middle layer is cuboidal germinal epithelium. Middle layer is cuboidal germinal epithelium, and inner layer is tunica albuginea. Internally, ovary contain numerous follicles. These are the follicles. These are the follicles. This is the egg nest. Egg nest. Follicles. This is the primary follicle. Primary follicle. Primary follicle develops from egg nest. In egg nest, there are numerous clusters of cells. This is egg nest. Egg nest produced from the cuboidal germinal epithelium by mitosis or mitotic division. This is thus the central cell is called as oocyte, and oocyte is covered by follicular cells or granulosa cells. Then more queue of granulosa cells surrounding the oocyte. This is secondary follicle, then tertiary follicle, then matured Graafian follicle. This is the matured Graafian follicle. This is tertiary follicle. Tertiary follicle, secondary follicle, and the ruptured Graafian follicle. Ruptured Graafian follicle. This is secondary oocyte. These are corpus luteum. This is corpus albicans, atretic follicle, atretic follicle. This is the blood vessels, blood vessels, and this internal part of the ovary is called as stroma. Stroma. The internal part of the ovary is called as stroma. This is the LS, longitudinal section of ovary. The internal part of ovary is called as stroma. Stroma divided into outer dense layer, which is called as cortex. Here is the cortex, outer dense layer is the cortex, and inner less dense structure, which is called as medulla. The cortex contains many follicles in different stages, like primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, then matured Graafian follicle, and after the maturation of Graafian follicle, it gets ruptured by the action of LS. This is the ruptured Graafian follicle that releases secondary oocytes, and these follicles grow by the action of FSH hormone. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. You must know FSH released from adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is also called as anterior lobe of pituitary gland. So this follicle get matured by the action of FSH, and after maturation the Graafian follicles get ruptured by the action of LH. LH is also called as ICSH, or interstitial cell stimulating hormone. LH stand for luteinizing hormone, which is also released from adenohypophysis. So actually LH causes rupture. This is the ruptured Graafian follicle, and this is secondary oocyte. After the release of secondary oocyte, the ruptured Graafian follicle, or the remaining part of the Graafian follicle, will be converted into corpus luteum, and yellow color mass of endocrine tissue. The corpus luteum is yellow in color. It is a temporary endocrine tissue that secretes progesterone hormone. You must know progesterone hormone. Progesterone is pregnancy hormone. It is pregnancy hormone. Progesterone secreted from corpus luteum. Actually, progesterone maintains pregnancy. It also stops further growth of Graafian follicle. So, progesterone further stops the growth of Graafian follicle. It maintains pregnancy, and it stops menstrual cycle also. So, it is called as a pregnancy hormone. The progesterone maintains pregnancy. So the corpus luteum degenerates into corpus albicans if secondary oocyte is not fertilized. If secondary oocyte not fertilized, then corpus luteum degenerates into corpus albicans. Corpus albicans means white body. This is white body. So large number of follicles, actually during embryonic stage there are about 4 lakhs of follicles inside the ovary, but large number of follicles are destroyed by follicular atresia, and the follicles that destroyed by this process is called as atretic follicles. At the age of puberty, about 60,000 to 80,000 of follicles are only left. About 400 of follicles are destined to rupture in the lifetime of a reproductive female, because a single follicle is ruptured in a month. Actually, secondary oocyte released or the rupture of Graafian follicle occurs after 14th day from the menstrual cycle.